Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be covering some massive transporting machines, but first remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Many superloads across the world prefer to be transported via SPMT. SPMT stands for Self-Propelled Modular Transport. Each module is used for calculating the weight and size of the load. Currently, SPMTs are bearing a load of 560 tons from the port of Turkey. This load is an autoclave. An autoclave is a particular type of chamber used for high-pressure and high-temperature science and industrial processes. You would be shocked to learn that this load has to ride 180 kilometers, and for that, it will take 65 days. This monster of a truck is known as the road train in America. It is transporting these 400-ton generators from California. Compared to a typical superload carrier, it can run comfortably at speeds of up to 25 kilometers an hour. And that's what it can do with its great trailer. The trailer has 192 tires and is 300 feet long and 20 feet high. It requires at least 5 hauling loads to carry this heavy load. But here, the extraordinary 600 horsepower truck, aka the Mack Titan, is strong enough to pull these massive loads. After seeing these enormous loads, some of you might be thinking, how much could each of these modern trailers carry? Well, a standard self-propelled trailer can carry up to 32 tons of weight on each axle. COMETTO's transport system can carry up to 76 per axle. The load shown in this clip is 35,000 tons. This load is part of the ship being loaded into the port. The size of heavyweight superloads also adds more challenges for transporters. That's the reason why most of the surveys have been carried out since every superload was taken. The road's length and width are measured, and every obstacle is assessed so that there should be no problem on the way. Now they are carrying a blade of a wind turbine. Each regular blade is about 120 feet long. In 2012, 5 72-meter-long and 4-meter-long steel columns had to be taken from the road to a factory and then returned to the port again. At that time, no one was ready to take on this challenge. Then FELBERMAYR took the daunting task. All of these loads were 90 tons, and because of having a vast size, FELBERMAYR decided to carry the whole mission by SPTs. It was a record at that time, but now FELBERMAYR claimed that they could transport any load of up to 130 meters in length across Europe by road. In 2016, when NASA's fuel tank began to near a city, soon people began gathering around to get a glimpse of it. Around 1.5 million had come to see this huge fuel tank. The tank traveled 265 kilometers by passing through Los Angeles to its home, the California Space Station. It was 154 feet long and weighed 32.5 tons. Emmert's transporter set a new record by crawling it from Los Angeles to the California Space Station in just 68 hours. In 2016, yet again, Emmert carried another big load to its home. Looking at the electromagnet, which is 50 feet tall, people were happy and amazed. The name of this load was the Moon G2. It traveled 3,200 miles and reached Brookhaven National Laboratory in New York. While in New York, Emmert was only allowed to move it during the night. The magnet was $30 million, with $3 million spent on the transportation alone. It's still being used in the study of subatomic particles. In this clip, you can see how a 363-ton mining truck is being taken to a mining site with some hauling vehicles. You may be wondering why they didn't just drive the truck on its own wheels. The straightforward answer is that the configuration of the transport truck and the trailer not only holds a heavy weight, but also distributes the weight of the load so that it will have little effect on the lane. If this monster had ran over the road, it would most certainly cause damage. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.